Right, so welcome back. This is Cryptophile, and let's talk about today about shitbot. Over 90 days performing 0.46% every single day overall in trading. And what's the best thing here? We have trading history for every single day for the last 90 days. Actually, I have for the last 6 months, 7 months, maybe I'll show you. And also, the best stuff here is your money are in your control. What's it mean? If you need the money, you can close every order and get out if you need it, okay? So that's the best thing. You will see in the last couple of weeks, I did some videos for KA bot, okay? And I really like that one. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to diversify my portfolio into different platforms. And they outside in the DeFi space, I met very good teams. KI bot team, this guy right here, Ted from Shitbot, also Sherlock. So I'm trying to work with everybody and I'm trying to diversify my portfolio. So I've been here from this one in the last 6 months, but this guy has been performing and absolutely amazing and is becoming the beast with slow return of 0.46 per day. But 0.46 per day is huge amount. And do you know what's the best thing? You don't need to buy the bot. Basically what they're doing is you can set up in as easy as 10 minutes. And then you deposit your funds, you set up your account, and after that they taking only 15% from your profit. It's like copy trading, they are bought. Okay, so let's go on and let's tell you more about this one. But before we go anywhere, don't forget that I'm not your mama and papa, which means I'm not giving you any financial advice. Do your research, don't put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto and it's extremely risky. I know it's a trading bot and all that stuff, but you can get liquidate. Not with this one, I don't believe so. Again, not financial advice. They're trying to take all the precautions, but it's high risk, okay? This video is for entertainment and education purposes only. If you never watch any of my video, more you give, more you receive. I don't know what you're doing, shame on you. Go and watch and please leave a comment and like and let me know what you think, because I'm the only YouTuber in the crypto space, in the DeFi space, who is making some different and trying to make some different and to help the poor people in the Philippines, India and Africa. Okay, so let me give you the history for the shitbot. So this is their Telegram group, alright? So you will see they posting pretty much update almost every day or every couple of days. And this is the performing right here. This is shitbot V5. So these guys, what they happen is also with the other guys, okay? What's happened is last year we have a couple of platforms who they saying they doing trading, but nobody can see any results, nobody can see any trading, and we all get burned at the end. But right here, these guys say, okay, why we don't make perfect this trading, and everybody support each other right here. So these guys with the KI bot, they're working together. These guys have different different techniques of trading, and KA they doing also, they already have like few bots and they're working every day. Also here Ted from Shitbot, they're working like to implement new techniques and just trying to find what's working the best for every market condition. So what's happened is first they had one bot, okay, then they have second, third, fourth, and each one perform better than the next one. But this one is already running for over 90 days, okay? But that's why I'm doing this video. I say to these guys, okay, I love to do video, however, I want results. I don't want a week. I really want results for at least, 1 or 2 months, and now we have 3 months results. I'm going to do AMA with these guys when they hit 100 days, and this will be the next week. What you need to do, the Telegram will be in the description. Just join there and just say Cryptophile, send me. Simple as that. And you can set up your bot and you can deposit whatever funds you want and you can start earning. So where are you going to need to be registered? You need to be registered in Finandi. So Finandi right here, Finandi, all right? So basically it's like a trading. You can go there, buy tokens, sell them, and so it's like a exchange, I believe, where you can do also trades. But there you can also, you pick up, you can go and copy trading right here, okay? You can go copy trading and you can go, you see, if you go here and just you can go here and you will see they have so many trades like every other platform where you can go and copy trades, okay? Simple as that. You put here shitbot, however you need to go and get registered with the shitbot from their Telegram first, so they can hook you up. Then you will see that this is the results, okay? So let's go back. This is only, let me move my face, you can go here for the last 90 days, okay? So this is, you cannot fake this one. This right here actual numbers. Is it real or not real? Don't fake. This is like exchange. It's not a joke. Okay, so here you will see when they start for the last 90 days. So this is where they started, and look the trajectory. Look how good they performing. So overall performing, if you go to their Telegram group, all right, you will see 42 point, almost 43% in 92 days. Daily APR 0.46 percentage. If you take the taxes, so you're making around 0.4%. They're trying to aim for 0.5, maybe a little bit more per day, but they started with 0.1, 0.2, then they increased to 0.3. Now they're performing 0.46 per day. Okay, so let's go and show you the trade. So if you go to futures, all right, sorry, futures right here, go to trading. Here, this is all the trades. This is my account, by the way. Okay, and here, let me just move my face out, and you will see all the trades. Okay, all the trades. So you will see they're 3 in minus right now, but this is different way how they're working. This is open, but look how many close I have. Look every day I have 15.7. So today is 7. So this is from 2 days ago. Okay, so this is from today, 17.7. I'm going to post this video on the 18th of July. So you will see I already have today few orders open. You will see from the 16 I had only one, and you will see, look, the profit 0.6, 0.46, 0.46, 0.5, 0.48, 0.7, 0.38, 0.6. Okay, you think 0.4 is not a lot a day? Just imagine if you put your money in the bank, you're going to get 5% a year, and here you're getting also your money is compounded. All right, so your money is right here. I can close right now. I can go and close the order. I'll take some small losses, you know, like $2, like $3, and I can take out my money, withdraw the money out to my MetaMask. Simple as that. Okay, they will guide you through the steps how to set up. You just open your account, you speak with that in Telegram group, and they will hook you up. Simple, as very, very simple. Again, only risk capital. I did put a couple of $100 with the V1, V2. I lost, but then I trust the guy and I put a little bit more. Okay, couple of $100, and now I almost double my money in these 90 days. I don't even know how much I had inside, to be honest, but now I have around 600 and something. Where is that? Yeah, 634. I think I had around $300-400 before. All right, so you will see here all the results. If you want to go back, look, I have 1,600 trades. If you go all the way back, page 27, this is from, just check this out, look that 17th, okay, this is from January, okay, 9th, this is January, okay, this is where they experimenting, okay, this is where we lost, but that's okay, it's all experiment. The guy says, look, I'm trying to create something. You want to A-pin? I say, yeah, I want to A-pin, and if you perform, and now he's performing well, slowly by slowly, okay, and that's why, look, this is from January, guys, January of this year. We're talking about 7-8 months ago. And if you go back to the page number 1, you will see, and let's go page number 3 now, you will see, look, trades all the time, trades. This is all from my account, wherever they do. So what I'm doing here, I stake some money and I forget them. So maybe they're already 90 days, very good profits. So my plan is maybe to add up to $1,000 and just leave it and forget it. Okay, come back here in a month, month and a half, 2 months time, 3 months time, 2 months time, maybe when the money are double, hopefully double, get out with $1,000 and just leave at $1,000 again, so you ROI completely there. All right, so that's about it for Shitbot. Well done to these guys. So again, if you want to get in, go, the Telegram will be in the description. It's called Shitbot Telegram, or just come in my Telegram, the guy is always there, and go to their Telegram and just say CryptoPhil, send me, and I want to set up a bot, okay, for the V5. Okay, make sure it's V5, they only use one. Okay, so how this is working, by the way, it was very nice explanation here. If you go to copy trading, if you go to Shitbots, so check this out. They had some description, right? Where was the description? Info right here. Yeah, okay, so here you will see the info, strategies, graphs, and everything what they work you can find for the bot. Okay, so what they're saying is like this, just to give you information before 10 minutes. So Shitbot is automatic crypto trading bot for future market with following features: DCA strategy based on signals, ability to survive during any market valuation. I know when we had some market valuation then where we lost, automatic partial closure on opposite signals, trading at 20 leverage using less than 1% of capital for each order, max of 4 open position at a time, taken from 15 selected trading pairs, consistent small gain for each trade with auto compounding mechanism. All right, simple like that. All right guys, so thank you so much for watching. I'm going to do AMA with KA bots hopefully this week, then we have Sherlock bots also hopefully this week, and then we have the shit bot next week. So my goal is to get more in these bots, because this guy working 24/7 to improve, to implement everything and to make everything sustainable and to work much better. Like KA bot, you know, but this is not video for KA bot, doesn't matter. All right, love you all. Till the next one, I do I, and I will see you when I will see you. Only risk capital. Again, love you all. Goodbye.